This video is sponsored by LaVivid Hair. The hair system you're going to see in this video is the Eros 8x10 in color number 2, thin skin. You can check them out at lavividhair.com. If you create a free account, you can check out using the promo code JASON15. You can see the base is really nice, really clean, no residue, no adhesive on it at all. So I've turned it upside down on the barber's head. I'm just going to go ahead and go around the perimeter, and kind of mostly it would be the perimeter. That's the main focus point. But as you can see, the most important thing is getting it right down to the edges. If the edges are nice and secure and bonded, then typically the rest of the system is pretty secure. Leave a tad bit extra on the front hairline so that I can lift it up and use a bit of ultra hold. As you can see here, I've got a couple of lights in my new kind of area. Just a bit of light hitting it to dry it a bit quicker. Normally something like that does take me about 40 minutes to dry. In the meantime, shave the area of my head that I need to take care of. Quickly razor that out, and the next thing I need is a bit of scalp protector. I've taken the lid off it, and I'm just applying it with a bit of cotton pad. So give that a nice little dab all around. I ended up doing this twice. Now I've moved on to marking the hairline. Credit to the hair consultant for the forefinger from the bridge tip. So I've just made a couple quick marks. This is about 45 minutes. It's become pretty transparent, a little bit of white here and there, but that's ready to go. I've got my marking point on my head, and really my main focus is to try and just get that center point off the hair system lined up with the point I made with the eyebrow pencil, and the rest is pretty simple after that. It's just kind of like a matter of rolling back the system. And here I'm just applying a little bit of ultra hold on that front center portion just to give it a bit of extra hold, pushing everything, making sure everything's down firmly. That bit's just drying in the front with ultra hold at this point in time, and now it's ready to take the clips off and lay it down. Every 3 weeks is what I aim for, and I'm just using the comb to push down, make it as clean as possible here. This is just water spray. Spray a bit of water, give it a little brush, and yep, here is a little bit of a close-up off the hairline. The hairline looks alright. I think I got that quite in place for the fact it only took about a minute or two to apply. That's it. We'll let it dry, give it 24 hours or so before I do any sweating or any showering. But that's it, guys. Hope you found the video informative. Like, share, subscribe. I hope you're all doing well, and take care.